Discovering Customer Favorites, a guide to English language learning. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might often see while shopping online or visiting stores. Customer favorites. This phrase is not just common in retail but also a fantastic example of everyday English in action. So, let's explore what it means, why it's used, and how you can use it in your conversations. Customer favorites are products, services, or items that are particularly popular among consumers. These items often receive high ratings, positive reviews, or are frequently purchased, indicating that they are well-liked or highly recommended by a significant number of customers. When something is labeled as a customer favorite, it's like a badge of approval from the community of buyers. So, why pay attention to customer favorites? For businesses, highlighting these items can attract more customers by showcasing proven satisfaction. For consumers, it helps in making informed decisions. Knowing that an item is a favorite among customers gives a sense of trust and assurance that you're likely making a good choice. When you're learning English, understanding how to use phrases like customer favorites can enhance your speaking and writing skills, especially in contexts related to shopping, reviews, or recommendations. Here are a few examples. I always check the customer favorites section before buying anything online. This restaurant's customer favorites include their homemade pasta and chocolate lava cake. Can you recommend some customer favorites from your product line? These examples show how the phrase can be seamlessly integrated into various conversations, making your English sound more natural and fluent. That wraps up our exploration of customer favorites. We hope this video has shed light on this common phrase and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary but also about understanding the context in which words and phrases are used. Keep practicing, and don't forget to check out customer favorites the next time you're shopping or browsing online. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.